This is going to be an easy, simple and quick, healthy nachos recipe. High in protein, ideal for maybe like a free meal or something like that, you're having as an off night, or you can actually build this into your daily plan. Stay tuned, I'm also going to be giving away a nice little freebie at the end. So, these are the ingredients and everything you're going to need. So I have some beef mince here, some extra lean beef mince. You could actually use chicken, you could use turkey mince, you could use a couple of other things, I don't know what else you would use, but you could use a couple of other protein sources as well if you don't like beef mince. I have some reduced fat cheese, if you can get fat free, even better. But you tend to get that in the States, but not in the UK. I have some lightly salted Doritos. If you can get a baked version of these, again, even better, but I can't find any. I may need to look a little bit harder though. I have some chopped tomatoes, some chili powder, paprika, some cumin, some garlic, some salt and pepper. Really simple, nothing crazy. There's not a huge amount of ingredients. First things first, I'm going to make up the chili beef and we'll take it from there. So first things first, I'm going to make up the chili. So I've got my beef and I'm just going to throw it in here. Then I'm just going to get my seasoning in. So I have some mild chili powder here. Again, you get different variations, so choose what you like if you're not huge into spicy foods. Don't use a lot of chili powder. Paprika, some cumin, and then I'm going to put lots of salt and pepper. The salt, I'm actually going to put my garlic puree in as well. You can chop up garlic, I can never be arsed. It takes too long. So I just buy the puree or the already chopped garlic. I do have the very lazy chopped garlic and it's really handy actually. And then just give that a stir. And I'm just going to cook this up for a few minutes, add in the tomatoes and then let that simmer, and that will be my sort of kind of chili beef made up to start. So, tin of chopped tomatoes, in they go. Just give that a good squeeze. Get all the chopped tomatoes in here, then I'm going to let that simmer for like 5 minutes, stir them through, and that is the chili beef good to go. So I'm going to take my layers now. So I've got some Doritos, I've put half of them on the bottom. Again, just watch if you're using these, they are very calorie dense, word of warning. So one layer on, and then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on. So next step, you're going to add in half your chili. Second layer is going on. So again, the key here is the layers. Just kind of piece them in. So then we're going to add on the next layer. I tend to put the cheese on the crisps first because it crisps up a little. And then I'll try and position my camera here. And then I will put my beef evenly spaced across. Again, if you can get baked crisps for this, much better idea if you can get like baked tortillas. Going to be a lot better and get more calorie friendly. But this is much better than, let's say, a Domino's pizza. And we're good to go. So this is ready. Oven is preheated to 200 degrees. We're going to put this in there for 10 minutes and that's us good to go. This is the finished article. So they have had 10 minutes in the oven, enough to melt the cheese, and they're good to go. Nice, easy, quick. It is a healthier option to nachos. Again, if you're using the Doritos, you just need to watch. They are quite calorie dense. Rounded off with a can of Brew Extra. Ideal kind of off-plan sort of meal if you're looking to stay relatively on track and just have something indulgent. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, really helps me out. Subscribe for more future videos, and if you want me to make anything or put a healthy spin on something, leave a comment below. See you in the next one.